Hello and welcome back to another certified Autoschiffen video. Today the focus lays on my daily driver, which is my Ram TRX, and we're gonna answer one very important question today, which is
Warum hast du Baggy Pencil?
This question has bothered humans for many hundreds of years, and the question is, how fast can an American full-sized 3.5-ton pickup truck drive on a German Autobahn when we remove all the safety features? So the idea is basically, we're gonna take this to the German Autobahn, and you can already kind of guess it's not very aerodynamic because
Yeah.
the wind just, it's like a fridge on four wheels basically. But the good part about the Ram TRX is, if you open up the hood, you can kind of peek into there and see that's, oh, you can't see it, but we have a 707 horsepower, 6.4 liter supercharged Hellcat engine in this truck. So it's supposed to be actually pretty fast. So my theory, if we drive on the German Autobahn and we drive to a tuner beforehand and he removes the VMAX setting, which basically this truck is limited to 190 kilometers per hour, and he removes this, then maybe we should be able to reach tremendous top speeds.
What's your guess?
Honestly, I think 280 probably.
Bah, no.
Yeah, I think so.
I think 250.
We'll see. We're not gonna push it, but we're gonna slowly cruise and see what speeds this truck will reach. I think it's gonna be a good time, honestly. Oh, also we're smart because these tires, oh, by the way, they look so fucking nice, the wheels, beadlock wheels. These are rated for like 180, so we are not gonna go with these. But I have my high-speed setup tires here in the back. These are normal, regular Ram tires. They are rated for like 300.
Yeah, of course, 300.
And we're gonna throw them on the TRX. It's gonna look absolutely shitty, but it's gonna be way better for driving than these huge tires because they are not even balanced right. Anyway, let's go to Germany. Let's go to Munich and remove the VMAX setting, and then we're gonna hit the Autobahn and see how it goes. I'm actually quite happy that we for once can drive in a normal, regular, comfortable car and not in a fucking death trap of a vehicle. Yeah, let's go. So, welcome to the German Autobahn in my Ram TRX. I'm gonna show you how it is when a car is completely stock. And you still have like four gears left actually. It's actually pretty smooth with the original tires at 190. I thought it's gonna be way worse than that. But anyway, we're gonna take care of that. We're gonna get rid of it, get rid of the VMAX, whatever it's called in English, I don't know, top speed limiter probably. And then we're gonna try this again and see how it goes. Because like I said, we have 3 gears left. Let's see what those 3 gears can do with the car. Yeah, by the way, for everybody who keeps saying that driving a full-size pickup truck in Europe is hard, it's actually pretty easy. You just have to know what you're doing, and then you can basically just use your car to its full extent. I don't know why the fuck we're driving through the city right now, by the way, but my navigation kind of said that this is the fastest route.
Jo!
Mag stehen bleiben, ist gut. So for everybody who is wondering if this car is actually dailyable in the city, I think this actually proves it pretty well.
Ah, da geht schon Knopf her.
Man muss ihn nur 12 fließen, dann geht das schon.
Voila.
Voila! Was? Voila! Was? No, eigentlich ist er ganz nett.
Ja, das ist die perfekte Straße.
Yeah, so we made it to TPS Performance here in Munich. The guys who also did my G80, so they are kind of professionals with tuning. Oh yeah, einmal Highspeed-Setup bitte. Mach mal. Gut. Wie funktioniert das jetzt?
Probiert einmal kurz, ob wir über OBD lesen können, was ich nicht denke.
Ja.
Dann machen wir einmal das Steuergerät raus,
Aha.
lesen das einmal, entsperren den OBD-Port und dann ist es für die Zukunft auch einfacher. Vielleicht wird ja mal das High-Speed-Setup erweitert. Dann müssen wir nicht mehr so viel Aufwand betreiben.
Okay, okay. Yeah, really quick, we're here at TPS, and I'm normally not a big fan, or like not a big fan, but I prefer M3s over M4s, but look at this one here. I think this is probably one of the most beautiful M4s I've ever seen in my entire life. This lip here in the back looks absolutely fantastic. Bro, this kind of makes me want to have an M4. Also, shout out to this guy because he has got no half sense here on his windscreen. piece goes out mean?
What? Ja, Sicherheit.
Ich hab's gleich.
Wie eng das Holz oder so?
Da.
Bitte.
Tada! Otto
Monster Truck.
So we're here at Autohaus Magnus in Munich, and they were kind enough. They're gonna get a new tire for us. So in the meantime, we're gonna mount these, which I am going to do. So this is our top speed setup right now. It's probably gonna look like shit, but it's gonna work, I guess. At least better than those, because those are very limited tires. I don't know what to say. I think we created the world's ugliest TRX, or it's a race spec setup.
German spec.
High-speed setup, whatever you want to call it, but it's definitely gonna hopefully do its purpose and get us from point A to point B a bit faster than on original tires. Ey, so scheiße.
Oh, Alter, Vollgas. Ich bin so schlimm.
It feels a bit quicker than
A little bit. Just a little
normal.
bit.
Yeah. I thought it's gonna drive like way fucking different now, but it's actually pretty similar to the other ones. I don't know. Okay, really quick before we go to the Autobahn, I want to test one thing. You can see it before with the stock tires. We had 3.9 seconds for 0 to 100 kilometers per hour, and in theory, with the smaller wheels, we should basically be able to be quicker, I guess, if my calculations are correct and if I'm not completely stupid. Let's see. Brake pressure. Pretty bad launch actually. 5.5 seconds.
Best one was 3.9.
3.9. I don't know how the fuck I did that. Okay, let's try this again. Das war ein schlechter Launch.
Ja.
7,1 spinny. Okay, we're gonna try this again really quick with no launch control, because I think with launch control it's just the wheels just keep fucking spinning so bad. Das fühlt sich schnell
Ja,
an
das ist jetzt schon besser.
4,3. Oh, we
vielleicht
had
so-
wheel spin.
so-
But 4.3 seconds for a truck this size is actually not very bad if you think about it. I think the wheel spin is the problem. Without the wheel spin, we would be like 2.5 seconds.
Maybe.
Alright, we are now at the place where we belong, which is the place of happiness, dreams, unlimited speeding, unlimited driving fast, and traffic jams, as you can see on the other side. We're gonna test now to see if we did everything correct and if the car is now limited or not anymore. So, I don't know, enough talking, let's try it out. I do have to say the car pushes quite a lot for its weight, which is pretty crazy. And we're already over the limit where we initially started out a few days before. That was probably around 250 right now. It was pretty fast as well getting to this point. This truck actually surprises me in so many ways. If you look at it from the outside, you already see it's pretty beefy and everything, but you would not expect it to be as fast as it really is. You have to keep in mind, this is 3.5 tons and it's shaped like a literal fridge. It's not aerodynamic at all, and still it just pulls so hard and goes so fast. Let's see. So we're at 200 now, probably, I would guess. 250.
It's pretty
Probably.
quick.
Okay, 200 pretty much. We're in 6th gear. Now we're at 250. I think the wind noises are pretty extreme, I have to say. 270 probably. That's pretty insane.
Yeah.
270. I was in 7th gear, so I still have one more gear left to go. I can't fucking imagine that this thing goes 270. There's no way. Oh, we're burning through so much fucking fuel.
Yeah.
If you think of it, this thing driving 270 is crazy.
Yeah.
When we started this, I was thinking probably like 260, 250-ish. But we're at 270 and we did not even reach the limit yet, which is insane. So let's, I don't know, let's keep testing a little bit, see what's going on. Also, quarter mile time, because we tested it before, 12.3 seconds, which is, again, for a fucking huge pickup truck where you can fit your whole family and a quad and a dirt bike in the back. That's insane time.
Yeah.
Americans really do know how to build fucking crazy this car pretty much has the same performance numbers as a Cayenne or something, and it weighs like 1.5 tons more, and is probably twice the size of one. So that's mind-blowing for me. I don't know why, but it's so fun driving this thing fast. Because it's just not supposed to be going. That was 230 probably.
Ish.
230-ish. It's just so hard to describe the feeling, but you actually feel the car pushing. Well, let's do a 100 to 100 really quick. 100. 200. That was like, what, 10 seconds maybe?
Kind
9
of,
seconds,
yeah.
probably. You have to experience this truck to fully understand what I'm talking about. It's just so hard to describe. But imagine just sitting in the biggest fucking thing you know and putting a huge engine into it. That's basically the T-Rex. Okay, can I do another pull really quick? I'm gonna be guessing the speeds now, and I'm telling you guys. 220 probably. 240 probably. 250 probably. 260 probably. 270. 275 in 7th gear. Okay, well, it's actually quite amazing how stable this car is. 260 by the way. 270. 275 probably. 280. And we still have 1 gear left. So that was around 280-ish in 7th gear, and this car has 8 gears, which means we would have 1 gear left. I don't really know how much of a difference this gear makes. It was pretty much redlined at 7th gear. I have to say it was very fucking stable though. I honestly did not expect the car to handle those speeds that well. Like I said, you hear the wind noise a lot, but there's no shaking. The suspension is pretty stiff, so the car is not unstable or anything. You could just cruise at this speed with no issues, other than that you would probably run out of fuel in like 5 minutes if you continue driving like this. Which is, honestly, I'm very impressed by this truck right now. I did not think it would handle the Autobahn this well, but this truck fucking loves it. It's built for the Autobahn. And the supercharger sounds amazing. Do you feel safe?
No.
You could cruise like this forever, honestly. The Viper felt worse at those speeds than the T-Rex, which is insane if you ask me. 260-ish. 270-ish probably. Shifting to 7. 280-ish. Yeah, 280. 285. Oh, that's... Okay, I shifted into 8 now. It was 285, but it was around 4,500 RPM, 4,500 to 5,000. So you still have room for more. I've proven my point. This truck is fucking fast. I don't need to prove anymore. I don't think it's gonna be able to hit 300 just yet. I think it will probably stop at like 295 if you keep pushing it forever. I think we successfully accomplished to be the fastest T-Rex on the planet. I don't think anybody else has tried this before. We have proven our point. The T-Rex is pretty fast for the weight and everything and for the size. Now let's head back, put the old tires back on, and just live with the fact that my T-Rex is the fucking fastest one on the planet. Yeah, we're back. T-Rex has big off-road tires on it again, and it looks... yeah, it kind of looks like it's supposed to. I'm still amazed at how fast this truck actually was on the Autobahn. I still don't believe it. I mean, this thing literally went probably around 280 kilometers per hour today, which for you American guys is around 174 miles per hour. Also, really quick, look who's back, my Evo. It's freshly painted. It looks honestly brand new. A few things that we still need to replace, and the engine. So we need to do the engine and some smaller other parts. We're gonna take you with us on rebuilding the engine. Can't wait to drive this thing again. It's gonna be amazing once we're finished with it, hopefully. And also we're starting another project really soon, which is gonna be pretty nice, I guess. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'm gonna see you guys in a few days again, I guess.
Bock, Cousin.